Interesting. What's up there, folks? Just out here still. Got a bunch of developments right around me right now. Some clouds popping up. And over here towards the east and west of me, some development as well. Right around where I'm located at, which is a good thing. Don't have to travel too far. But anyway, hopefully video quality is all good and microphone's being picked up. I'm guessing, hopefully. But anyway, so yeah, I'm watching this stuff that's ahead of me right here, and also let me show you guys here. I'm gonna have to probably shoot towards the west a little bit because there's actually a pretty good sized band of cells coming in there. I'm gonna have to fix this mirror too. Stand by for a second here. Jump off here. I don't think I have this thing tight enough. Yeah, definitely farmland out here. There's nothing but farmland. Let's see here. So anyway, hopefully that'll work. This here is in Northern California Boost. Quite a bit of activity actually all over California today. You know, south of Sacramento has some activity as well, but I'm north of the Sacramento area. Yeah, this is kind of like the southern end of this cell that's just to the east of me right now. It's dropping some heavy rain. I don't know, maybe a little bit of rotation with it, but I don't think we're going to see any tornadic activity. It's hard to say. I want to give you guys a 360 real quick, okay? Stand by real quick. Don't mind the wind. So anywhere over there towards the west, where I'm looking at right now, there's a couple good bands of heavy rain and possibly some lightning involved in there as well. But for the most part, got this stuff here, just watching it. This here is in Northern California, right around Chico. I don't know if you know where Chico is. It's north of Sacramento, about 70 miles or so. That's where we're at, close to Chico, California. So yeah, we're just kind of still waiting on some further development out here. It's kind of been hit and miss. Had some hail being dropped over near Chico about an hour ago, but since then it's kind of mellowed out and just popped around. Like I say, it's hard to hold on a second. I want to check something real quick. Yeah, that'd be pretty crazy if that was a wall cloud right there, huh? I don't believe that's a wall cloud, though. Hopefully not. That's more or less like a... I don't know what kind of cloud that is. Anyway, so I need to head over in that general direction to take a look at things over there as well. So I guess you guys are along for the ride. I was going to stop the stream, let you guys know what's going on, but we'll go ahead and continue it. But I do need to turn around because this here is like a dead-end road up here. Kind of a nice shot right there, huh? I won't get stuck in the ditch. Nobody ever find me out here. Anyway, let me get off this bumpy road and head in that direction there towards the west. That way I can see what's going on a little bit better. It's gotten a little bit colder. It feels like quite a bit of cold air coming in. Anyway, I'm going to head west over here and see if I can't see what's going on here. It's definitely getting windy out here. It's looking really, really dark over here towards my west. I was looking on the radar, and that's the stuff that's building up pretty good. Stop and pick up. Trees these are. These are actually walnut orchards, and over here to the right, the green ones are I think these are almonds. Pretty sure these are almond trees to the right over here, because they just came off bloom, and we had a hard freeze there, so I don't think they're going to do too well this year. But yeah, those are almond trees to the right, and also looks to the left here as well. Oh man, I'm going to avoid this guy by pulling in here. That's kind of an ominous looking cloud over there. Just kind of hovering. Really don't think that's a wall cloud. But definitely some heavy rain over to the right of it there. Just looks like a downpour of activity. lightning yet. Kind of hoping I would. Got the GoPro running as well, but so far it's been not really visible. No rotation. You say, although the Storm Prediction Center put California here, part of California, in a marginal risk, or just maybe generalized risk of thunderstorms, I believe. But like I say, anything's possible, especially when you have this mixture of low pressure coming in off the coast and a lot of moisture to work with here as far as uplift goes. I want to go over towards that wall cloud looking thing and see what's going on with that. It just looks freaky looking. Pretty sure there's lightning over in that storm there to my right. You'll see here in a second. I don't want to mess with the camera too much while I'm driving. More almond trees. I don't know, how do you guys pronounce that? Almond or almond? At least out here I say almond trees. Check out those almond trees. Almond, okay. Yeah, I know. My son teases me about that. He's like, you know, like that commercial Almond Joy. You know, I get it. I've never really said almond though. It's always been almond. I don't know. Oh, come on, some lightning, man. That'd be nice to get some lightning out of these clouds here. Beavis and Butthead saying that. Pecan. That's kind of weird. That cloud's still just hovering right there. It almost looks like a dang wall cloud. But I don't think so. I don't know. I keep looking at it. It's distracting me. Yeah, we got almond orchards all over the place out here. A lot of olives as well. A lot of olive trees. A lot of rice fields. Really high in agricultural type stuff out here in California. Yeah, I'm hoping. It looks like a shelf cloud there, Charles. That's what I was saying. It almost looks like one. It's been hovering around that area for a while. I'm gonna go check it out and see what's going on. If I can make it over there, hopefully. I want to try to avoid some traffic out here. It kind of gets gets a little rough chasing when you gotta deal with farmers and tractors on the road. Oh yeah. This way, see what's looking on radar still. It's kind of developing, but it's not really organized at all. It's possible we could see some lightning strikes out of this thing. Just saw you. What? I'm gonna try and find a place to pull off out here and take a look at this. Look at this cloud structure a little bit, and look at radar, because I can't look at radar while I'm driving. That's for sure. Just hit a little bird. That's not good. I think what we're seeing right there with that cloud structure, I'll pull over here in a minute. It might just be some type of intake. Or intake, what am I saying? Some type of inflow. As soon as I get past these trees right here, I'll find a spot to pull over. Private road, no trespassing. Man, it'd be nice to see some lightning out here, gosh darn it. Hold on a second, guys. Show you guys another 360 here. That may have been actually a wall cloud. It's dissipating right now, but very possible that could have been associated with a wall cloud. Kind of all disorganized and whatnot now, but still dark over here in this region. Come on, lightning! Actually, I better not strike me out here. Some further. Whoa, what's that down there? Might have to head south. I'm not for sure what's developing down there, but it looks kind of weird. Let me put this back in here real quick, folks. Chevy pickup. Close. Pretty close. Chevy pickup. The dad of the Terminator. What do you say that? What was that about? What do we got? We got 52 degrees out here right now. Wonder what this guy's doing. I wonder if he thinks, what's he doing out there? Why would he be driving down a muddy dirt road? Huh. He stuck it in 4-wheel drive or something, huh? Anyway, no lightning. That wall cloud disappeared. Yeah, I mean, we can get those cold air funnels and whatnot over here. Like I said, we weren't really, I don't think we even were looking at a chance of tornado activity. It's most likely thunderstorms and some small hail being associated with those. Like I say, it's just I don't think there's enough daytime heating right now to get everything going. I gotta get me a new phone holder too before I go to Oklahoma. Not good. Anyway, folks, if you're wondering about the earthquake stream here, we'll have it up and running when I get home. I just wanted to test out the stream, the live stream on the mobile device without having to worry about notifications not being sent out from YouTube. Because I know I can run 2 live streams, but I just don't want to have it interfere with each other. Some music, I know, huh? I don't know what kind of music we got on here. Of course, my choice of music may not necessarily be your choice of music, so. Although I listen to pretty much anything and everything. Smoke on water. Anvil top over here, but nothing too big. I mean, these things aren't really over here to the right side of the screen. You can see a little anvil top, but these things aren't even getting all that high up in the sky. It's just hard to say, man. It's a downside of being a storm chaser. I mean, the meteorologist people, they can't even get the weather right, so bouncing around out here with in the weather is kind of, it's even a little bit harder, especially California. It's just not enough mixture of main ingredients out here. What's the day? Wednesday? Today's Wednesday. Then we got some more chances of thunderstorms tomorrow, and also a better chance. Platform shoes. We got a better chance of thunderstorms on Friday out here. It's just a pretty active week for California-wise. Almond trees, quite a bit. Like I said, there's almond trees all over the place out here. I'm going to head down south a little bit and see what's going on with this thunder cell. It looks like it's got to be producing lightning. I mean, there is some pretty high tops up there on those clouds. If you guys hear me talk to myself, it kind of happens. Sometimes I don't even know I'm talking to myself. It's like, what? starting to see, what are those clouds called? They start with an M, Mammatus or something like that. I can't pronounce it, but it's like a bubbly cloud, kind of like after a thunderstorm. It's got the, you know, the bubbly cold air in it. It's kind of cool looking. I think I'm seeing those, or some of them up there. I'm gonna find a spot to pull over and show you guys. Awesome, wicked looking clouds up there. Photos while I have my camera. Real quick here, hold on a second, folks. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go down a little bit further south and check this Thunderhead out, because it's definitely anvil tops on top of it there. Let's see if you guys can see it. I'll jump out and show you guys real quick again. It's actually pretty cool looking. There, but this thing's starting to get some of those weird looking clouds on the bottom of it. There's another small anvil head right there from a little cell over that direction, and then back behind me here some more clouds. But yeah, most of the action looks like right now over here towards the south. Little I know, right? That's cute. All right. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, fudge. Okay. Yes, I got the GoPro up here. And then all the gadgets. I know, don't mind those with the wiring showing. There's actually a lot of wires showing out here. But I don't know. I need to go see what's going on here with these with this system here real quick. Definitely looking pretty dark down here. Like I say, it's hard to tell if this thing's building or if it blew its... Actually, it looks like it blew its top already. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. It could be building back up. It's kind of what these things have been doing all day, just popping up a little bit. But like I say, it's almost 2 o'clock. With the daytime heating, it's possible these things will intensify quite a bit. Let's see what we got. 54 degrees right now. Wish it was a little bit warmer. I think we'd have a better chance of some good-sized storms. Restaurants out here. What am I gonna eat? Looks like it's back building over there towards the west, which would be your right, the right side of the screen. As I'm looking at some tops up there, it looks like they're starting to build up again. Traffic. Cool. Like I said, the only thing missing is some food. If I don't catch something today, I have a couple more chances. Like I say, tomorrow and most likely on Friday as well. Should be a good chance of thunderstorms out here. Got the sun coming out right now. A little break in the clouds. No. Hey there, MC player. Welcome. Lightning strike or something, that'd be cool. Something, some thunder, I don't know. volcano here in a minute. It's a dormant ancient volcano that was once active out here in the Sacramento Valley. I may have showed it to you guys one time before, but you'll be able to see it here pretty soon. It's pretty much called the smallest mountain range in the world, the Sutter Buttes, and that's here in Northern California. Pretty cool. It's just a little mountain range that sticks up out of the valley by itself, and I can't remember what the peak is on it. I think about 2,500 feet. Oh man, but okay, I gotta go over here real quick. So anyway, it's off there in the distance here. Let me pull over for a second here and look at some stuff. Pretty windy out here, that's for sure. Back this out just a tad bit here. It is getting windy. See some of those bubbly clouds up there. Anyway, it's pretty gosh darn dark out. Let's see what the sun is gonna do. Some kind of facility over there. See those mountains I was talking about? They're the ancient volcano. Sutter Buttes. Anyway, you know what? I think I'm going to wait for the afternoon to pop up a little bit. We do have some breaks in the sun right now, or in the clouds, breaks in the sun. And definitely some dark clouds here behind me. really dark. But I think I'm gonna sit out here for a little bit and look at some forecast models, see what's going on here. Uh-oh. Posted, no trespassing. That's not good. Wonder what's in this thing. Oh shoot. Sure as heck don't want to drop my phone down there. Okay, anyway folks, I'm gonna jump off here for a little bit and probably check back in here in just a tad bit and see what these things do. See if they build up or if they die down. If they do build up, then I'll go back on the live stream here. So yeah, it probably stinks really bad in there. All right, folks, we'll catch you guys here in a little bit, okay? Peace out.